In one of my recent videos, I have exposed a few YouTubers teaching moving average strategies that have no any sense and leading to a loss. Some people probably liked it, others not so much, but it is what it is. And I turned out to be super right because after that video, I took the time to create dozens of strategies with moving average indicator, and I actually created 97 robots all using the moving average crossover. And in this video I will share with you the moving average crossover robot that showed the best performance. You'll be able to download it down from the description, and if you appreciate that, I'll be super happy if you just smash the like button. And now I'll show you what is the strategy behind that moving average crossover robot. Are you ready? Let's do it. Hello everyone, Pet Alexander here. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and in today's video I will show you the best strategy on the market. There is no such a thing like the best strategy because every single strategy has its pros and cons. There are drawdowns, there are losing and profitable trades, but at the end of the day we care about the strategies that have more profitable than losing trades, and to be precise, a bigger profit factor than one. Profit factor is determined by all the profits divided by all the losses, and we consider one strategy being profitable when the profit factor is above 1. And with that moving average crossover, we have a strategy with profit factor. If I go to the statistics, you will see that it is 1.45, and plenty of more statistics which I'm not going into right now, but I want to show you what are the entry and the exit conditions. And this video might get a little bit nerdy because it's not just the moving average crossover. We have the demarker, the stochastic signal, and the momentum, plus stop loss and take profit for the strategy to protect the capital. And if you're ready, I will go straight to the point explaining that strategy. Now, the moving average crossover works with fast MA12 and slow MA26. We have the fast MA crossing slow MA upwards, which is the most popular way to use the moving average crossover because the fast moving average reacts quicker to the price changes. If I go to the indicator chart, you will see the two moving averages right over here, and the fast one, or the red one, is reacting faster to the changes of the price, or the blue one is reacting slower. So whenever we have the red one crossing the blue one, or the fast one crossing the slow one upwards, it is time to buy, and when we have the opposite, it is time to sell. However, there are two more indicators to confirm those entries, and the first one comes from the demarker, which we need to see lower than the level line. Period of 30, level of 45. So in order to have the trade, let me go for an example. Right over here we have that long trade. We have the fast moving average crossing the slow moving average, and we have the signal. And we need to look for the demarker lower than the level line, and it is lower indeed. It is just in the middle. The other confirmation comes from the stochastic signal, and we need to see the stochastic line being higher than the signal line. K period 14, D period 4, and slowing 12. As I always like to say, take notes or just watch the video over and over again. So if we want to buy one more time, we need to see the fast moving average crossing the slow moving average upwards. We need to see the demarker below the level line, and at the same time the stochastic should be higher than the signal line. And right over here we can see that the signal line, which is the red line, is below the stochastic. Okay, so once we have these two confirmations, we can open the trade and take a long position. You can see that recent example. Now we have as well stop loss and take profit to protect the capital. For the beginners, the stop loss is below the entry price for the long trades when we buy, and the take profit is above. With this example, here is the take profit, and the stop loss is somewhere under. It's not visible, but what it is, stop loss of 65 pips and take profit of 81 pips. As well, if we see the opposite, we reverse. Now there is an exit indicator as well. If the stop loss and the take profit are not met until the time of this event or the time of the signal from the exit condition, we should close the trade whenever momentum is higher than the level line. Momentum period of 49 and level 100.69. Now if I go on the chart, you will see the momentum right over here below. And one more time, to exit the long trade, we need to see the momentum going above the line of 100.69. But in this case, with this example, we had the take profit reached. Now let me go for another example. Here we have a short trade, a profitable one. Again, the take profit is reached. So here was the opening. You can see where the take profit is. Above is the stop loss right in here. And this is the trade. It opened in here and it closed in here with the take profit. So what do we have? We have the fast moving average going below the slow moving average. We have the D marker above the line, which is the opposite from what we are looking for in the long trades. And then we have the stochastic below the signal line, and momentum is the exit. But in this case, again, the take profit was reached. Let me show you some losing trades, because as I said, every strategy has losing trades. So this long trade is profitable and then it reversed to the short trade. And actually the beginning of this long trade again is a reverse from that short trade. And I think that this short trade was a little bit on a loss or break even. You can see that it was open right here and it was closed at that point right over here. So probably a little bit of a losing trade. And here we have another profitable trade. And right over here we have another profitable trade. This is a losing trade. Okay, you can see that it was a short trade. We had all of the confirmations, and right in here we had to reverse because we had the opposite signal. And I've been talking about opposite signals quite a lot, and I include opposite signals in most of my strategies and robots because it is really important to embrace and accept that you were wrong when entering one trade if everything goes against you. Okay, and this strategy we have 3 confirmations to buy, and if we see the opposite, it means the market turned and we were wrong, and we have to accept it. We have to embrace the loss, and if we see the confirmation for short trade, we have to close the long trade and open the short one. This is something that so many people don't understand in investing, and especially when it comes to Bitcoin trading and cryptocurrencies. So many people lost their money because they fell in love with the idea of cryptocurrencies, and even they saw the market crashing, they didn't sell any of their coins because they believed that it will go to $1 million, like so many predictions out there on YouTube that turn out to be extremely wrong. And I'm not saying that it will not reach to 1 million, but not in 2022 when we're in the stage of increasing interest rates. So if you have followed rules to buy Bitcoin or gold or S&P, whatever it is, and you were on profit and you see the very opposite rules that you followed, and those rules show that you should sell, then you should sell. So check out this strategy with the robot. I will attach it down in the description and put it on the chart on MetaTrader. See how it goes. You can put the indicators to follow along and try to think about that reversal. Alright, I know that this strategy might be a little bit nutty and too many indicators to follow, but as I have explained in the previous video, if you just follow moving average indicator, you are going to lose money because moving averages follow the market. The market doesn't follow those. So you have to combine moving average with another moving average and with another indicator and stop loss and take profit and backtest it and so many things that you don't need to do because I already have done it. Check out the description below to grab the robot, see the complete guide on how to trade with robots on MetaTrader, how to choose broker and place the robot on MetaTrader, all of that for free down in the description. As well, there are some links for free crypto and stocks, and I'll be super happy if I see you guys in the next video. It's just in here. Have a wonderful day.